morning, or whatever time it is where you are watching. Today we are unboxing. That's right, I have 3 monthly tea subscriptions this month. We have the Suki tea subscription, we have Brew Tea for the 2nd month running, and we have Bird and Blend for the 4th month running. And it has been an effort not to just rip into these. I don't know how those YouTubers manage to pile up like 10 subscription boxes and then they just open them. I get post. I want to open that right then. Is that glare in my glasses really annoying? I'm sorry I wear glasses, guys. I know it would really annoy some people. If you want me to tell you what's in these boxes, I need to be able to see. Well, I've already opened the Suki tea, so let's go through that first. This is my 1st month with the Suki tea subscription. I got their advent calendar, and on day 25 you got a £5 voucher, so that's what I used for this. So it is normally £9.95, but I got it for £4.95. And inside you get 4 pouches of 20 grams. Suki tea are actually really high quality. They say that you can steep their tea up to 5 times, and I have tried it and it starts to get a bit weak on the 4th one, but you can do 5 times with their tea. I've tried it. I got Apple Loves Mint, which I did get in the subscription box, but I haven't tried yet. I've got Sencha green tea, which is a new one to me. I've got breakfast tea, which is a black tea, so I'm looking forward to this one a lot. Again, I haven't tried that one. And I got Turkish Delight, which is smooth chocolate floral black tea. And I did get this one in my advent calendar, and unfortunately, I don't like this one. What is those 4? This is my 4th month with Bird and Blend, and I do love them, so I'm looking forward to this one. So do I open this one now? No, we're going to do Brew Tea first. So this is, Brew Tea is one of those subscriptions that you customise as you go along. You tell them your preferences and they send you your first box. And then from those ones, you say which ones you did like and which ones you didn't like. And then they customise it to your preferences. In January, one of the team went off to Paraguay. Oh. So we've got Marte Teas. So these ones are really nicely packaged. You get the little note, and then you've got the tissue paper with their little sticker. Open that up. So this month I am discovering Paraguay. Ooh! So I believe it's every month with the Brew Tea box you get like a little gift. So I've got a New Cow chocolate on a mission. So 65% less sugar than comparable bars. We plant 1 tree for every bar sold. And it's plastic free packaging. I have got the organic vegan wild berry. I'm excited to try that. And then my teas for the, oh! Hey, I've got 4 teas. Ah, so the 4th tea this month is the Marte from Paraguay. And then I have got a blend, Bird of Paradise, which is green and white tea blend with helping of rose petals. Ooh, I like the sound of that one. Maple syrup oolong, yes please. So I did get a oolong last month and I put on my preferences that I really liked it. So I've got a Canada in a cup, fine walnuts and the flowery oolong tea, the sweet maple flavour. They hold them all together with these really delicate little pegs. Try not to break them. The sweet maple flavour unfolds to the fullest. So it's basically just half fermented oolong tea, 82%, walnuts, hazelnuts, almond pieces and flavouring. Ooh. Well, I am excited for that one. I do have a maple syrup tea that I got in my Brew Tea subscription box. And I did like that one. That was one of the only teas that I did like from my Brew Tea subscription. And then I've got a Brazilian Marte as well. So I believe that means I've got 2 Martes. They do look like a very similar leaf. This one's Brazilian and this one's from Paraguay. Again, very excited. I'm always excited. I say this every time. I love tea. Bird and blend. I don't know if I should have favourites, but I clearly do. I love bird and blend so much. Right. Every month you get like this pretty, it's a different illustration every month, and it looks like a couple getting married this month with a little teapot. I love that. Well, it is February now, so Valentine's Day. And you get 3 20-gram bags each month with Bird and Blend. I was hoping we were going to get the Valentine's teas, but I did see on their Instagram that that's not what we got. Oh, but we did get one of them. Oh. So I'm meant to be subscribed to the caffeinated box, but I've got 2 rooibos this month. So I've got wedding cake, which is rooibos, coconut, paprika, ooh, beetroot, toasted rice, rose petals. Okay, I've got, I'm not going to try that, some sort of pancake, there we go, which is again a rooibos with coconut, lemon peel, fermented lemon peel. So I've got 2 different rooibos teas, both with coconut. And then I've got fairy dust, which is Chinese sencha green tea, berries, again paprika, and again beetroot. Ah, Valentine's, paprika, beetroot, red. Gotcha. Dried peach, ooh, rose petals, sunflower petals. Ooh. I'm gonna give this one a sniff. Oh, it smells really good, but it smells very, very floral. I'm curious how this one's going to taste. Now, as I did last month, as per request, I will continue. So I will do a taste test for these teas. Maybe I'll do a taste test for all 3 boxes. So we've got the Bird and Blend, we've got our 4 from Brew Tea, and we have got our 4 from Suki tea as well. This is a lot of tea for me to have to taste, but I'm happy with that. I'm fine. I ordered it. I knew what I was going into. Alright. Well, I'm happy. Lots of new tea from the shelf. Where I'm going to fit them all, that's the question. But I hope you're having a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright.